are being safe and sound in this corona? Well, we studied about components of air and properties of air. Today, we are going to study about atmosphere and its layer. We have 5 layers of atmosphere. And before that, we are going to solve questions which I gave you in last session. So, let's begin.
Chapter number 9, Air and Atmosphere. Well, I gave you 2 questions last time. So, let's solve them. First one, match the columns. Here we have column A and column B. Now, let's begin. Nitrogen is most abundant gas in the air. Very good. Next one is oxygen. Oxygen, survival of human beings and animals. Next one, carbon dioxide. What is major function of carbon dioxide? Photosynthesis. Very good. Argon. It is used in light bulbs. Very good. Air. It is mixture of many gases. Very good. Next question. Observe the given pictures and identify the properties of air. Well, in first picture, what can you see? What is the property? Air occupies space. This is a punctured tire. Yes, and air is not there. That is why we can't ride it. We need air so that it can give shape. Next one, air exerts pressure. This girl is sucking juice through straw. Next picture is about air has weight. Can you see? Weight of football with air is more. Now, today we are going to learn about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. Well, can you see in this picture there is blanket or layers of air. This is called atmosphere. This atmosphere protects us from harmful effect of sun and contains essential gases. Yes, this atmosphere protects us from harmful rays of sun. Can you see? We have layers of atmosphere. Generally, we have 5 layers. It contains essential gases and it also protects us from harmful rays of sun. Well, the different layer of atmosphere are held in their place due to Earth's gravitational force. We know now what is gravitational force. It is a force which pulls things towards Earth. So, this force is responsible for holding all the layers of atmosphere towards Earth. Atmospheric layers and their importance. Our atmosphere exists like a thick layer of air around the Earth. It can be divided into 5 different layers. These are Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere and Exosphere. Atmosphere is a thick blanket of air. Now we have layers of atmosphere. They are thick and they are generally of 5 types. We are going to learn about each of them elaborately. What are their functions and how they are useful for us. So, let's begin. First one, Troposphere. This layer is closest to Earth and contains the air that we breathe. All weather changes and different stages of water cycle occur in this layer. This layer is very important or plays a major role as it contains the air that we breathe, and all weather changes and different stages of water cycle occur in this layer, like raining, cloud formation, and many more. This is first layer of Earth. It is closest to Earth. That is why it is very important and has major functions. Next one is Stratosphere. This layer helps to maintain the right temperature on the Earth. It contains the ozone layer, which protects us by trapping harmful UV rays of the sun. After Troposphere, we have Stratosphere. It is second layer of atmosphere. In this, ozone layer is there. Ozone layer is very important as it traps harmful UV rays of sun and stop it from reaching to Earth. So, it protects our Earth as it does not allow harmful UV rays from sun to reach our Earth. Next layer is Mesosphere. This layer protects us from meteors as most of them are burned in this layer before hitting the Earth. Mesosphere is third layer of atmosphere after Stratosphere. This plays a major role as it protects us from meteors. It burns majority of meteors before it hit the Earth. Yes, it protects us from meteors. Thus, they play a major role. Next one, Thermosphere. Most of the space stations are present in this layer. Thermosphere is fourth layer of atmosphere. Most of the space stations like our satellites are present in this layer. Next one, Exosphere. It is the outermost layer of atmosphere. It contains the least amount of air. No air exists beyond this layer. Exosphere is fifth layer of atmosphere. Beyond exosphere, no air exists. So, we can also consider it as last layer of our atmosphere. Well, again, we can do a quick revision of layers of atmosphere like troposphere, where we have major functions like stages of water cycle, seasonal changes, and air we breathe. Then we have stratosphere, which contains ozone layer, which helps us to protect from UV rays. Third layer is mesosphere. It helps us to protect from meteors. Then in thermosphere, We have satellites and other space stations. We have navigation satellites and many more. Then the last and fifth layer is called Exosphere, beyond which no air is present. Well, let's practice few questions. First one is fill in the blanks with correct words. I'll give you questions and I want all of you to answer. So, let's begin. First one, blank. Ozone. Atmosphere is a thick blanket of air. This is simplest one. Answer is atmosphere. Very good. Next one. Most abundant gas in the atmosphere is blank. Oxygen, nitrogen. Answer is nitrogen. It is 78%. Yes. Next one. The layer of blank, ozone, argon protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of sun. Answer is ozone. Ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of sun. It blocks them and stop from reaching to Earth's surface. Fourth one. There are blank 3, 5 layers of atmosphere. We have 5 layers of atmosphere, isn't it? Yes. Fifth one. The ozone layer is part of the blank troposphere, stratosphere. Ozone layer is part of stratosphere. Very good. Next question. Take the correct option. Here I'll give you question and options. You have to choose correct option for me. First question. Which of these gas constitute air? Nitrogen and carbon dioxide, hydrogen and helium, argon, ozone and water vapor. Last one, all of these. Answer is all of these. Very good. In which atmospheric layer are the international space stations located? Options are Thermosphere, Mesosphere, Stratosphere, Exosphere. Answer is Thermosphere. Very good. Third one. Which of these gases is useful for plants? Carbon dioxide, argon, ozone, nitrogen. Answer is carbon dioxide, because plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide by the process of photosynthesis. Clap for yourself. Well, let's recall what we studied today. We learned about atmosphere and atmospheric layers. We have 5 atmospheric layers: Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere and Exosphere. Very good. I hope this video was of great help. I'll meet you really soon. Till then, stay safe.